Hi everybody. Today I built a project that is called the application, and this is a web application. This is my final result. When I enter city name like Canada, it show me the weather of Canada. It's Delhi. It's give me the weather of Delhi. Cuttack. It gives the weather of Cuttack. If I my city name that is Rayanpur, it gives me the what for the it also gave me 38°C Paripada and humidity is 29% and wind speed is 5.18 km/h. Now let's see the code of this project. Actually, this is my CSS file. Okay, CSS file, and this is a whole HTML document controlled by this star, and this is controlled by body. This is body control. This is actually I'll show you the HTML code. This is my div. Okay, class star. I have named it as a class, and from that place to here, 11th to 41. And this is class div card, and inside div I have one div. Inside div I have one div. This is for search box, for this search box, and one is for error. If I enter some city name like invalid city names like it's my name, this name is not registered in that API, so it gives me invalid city name. Okay, I'm doing it once again. This is Puri, and gives me the weather of Puri. Okay, and here is a div class weather. Actually, this is a div that is if I enter the I'm just refreshing. Okay, my content are invisible right now. Actually, that's our weather div. If I write the right city name, then it gives me that weather will be visible. If I write the some invalid word city name, then it hide that weather. Okay, here is that this is the weather. This is invisible when you enter the wrong city name. It will not visible to you. Here is the if data name equal to undefined. Undefined means data name is not defined something else. Then error.html, in our HTML is invalid city name, and document query selector I have select that class of query selector dot weather, and style dot display is none. Actually, I can't explain it. I can't explain it like I'm professional, but I try to explain it so that you can understand what I want to explain. I have that actually this data name. If you do not let me say, okay, I'm inspecting this console, and yes, okay. I have already console load, and it gives me the data. Okay, I'm writing Puri. When I'm writing Puri, in this main div there is sorry, name is Puri. If I'm writing the wrong city name, like it's my name, it's become something else. Let me show you here. City not found, and city not found means city not found city not found. Okay, I want to just console dot log data dot name is what, check the name of that data. That's it. This is the name of the data, that is undefined, so I am comparing with undefined. If the data dot name is undefined, then do not show the weather div. It's my logic. I'm hiding it. Here I have included the math.round method to round the decimal point to the floor values, and yes. Okay, and after processing all of this, if that is if this block, if it is coming to else block, but if it's running well, then display will be block, or after that it is phenom. I have already mentioned no. Yeah, whether display is no. Okay, if I'm not writing anything on here, then it is just no. So thank you guys.